This is the Maiden flight, and I wanted to give you guys the initial reaction for me of how this thing flies. Hello everyone, welcome to the Duranfi channel. In this video I'm gonna be flying the Babyhawk 2 from Emax. I purchased this guy here with the Caddx Vista, which is the digital system compatible with the DJI goggles. There's a couple steps you'll have to go through to get it done, and I have the Emax D8 tiny or mini receiver that is compatible. Pick this up, that is compatible with my Tyrannus X9D Plus controller, digital controller. And this is the Maiden flight, and I want to give you guys the initial reaction for me of how this thing flies. So at home, I was able to get everything paired up. I got my goggles paired up or bind, and then I got my Tyrannus controller bound, and now it is time to fly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy down over here in the traditional launch quad helipad, and then I'm gonna take off from there. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna put my DJI goggles on. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my DJI goggles on, and you guys are gonna fly along. You guys ready? Alright, so the FPV experience for me has been wonderful so far, and I have 3 drones that I used to train myself in FPV. The first one I bought was the Tinyhawk. The second one was the Emax Freestyle. And the third one I bought is the one you're looking at now, the Emax Babyhawk 2. Alright, time to arm the quad. Okay, arming. And it is recording on the goggles. Awesome. So there I am flying along carefully. I'm a real cautious flyer with that FPV system. I have my buddy that's supposed to be spotting for me walking down somewhere around here, and he's keeping an eye out on things. There he is. Brought his dog, and I'm just cautiously flying, right? And do not want to hit that puddle. This is guaranteed to destroy your quad, I'm sure. Starting to get a little rain. The conditions here are cloudy and rainy earlier yesterday, but it was supposed to clear up today, and it looks like things are getting a little different. So this quad is super responsive. Wow, that was a punch out, and oh my gosh, you can see how high I went. I need to stay away from that water, don't I? So I'm at 15.2 volts, and this is a 4S 850 battery that I have here from Emax. So I purchased everything through Emax USA, and as you can see, it's actually a pretty decent drone, man. I mean, it's super responsive. I'm a little nervous flying it because, you know, it's a lot of power for me. It has 3.5-inch props, which is not normally installed on drones, but hey, you know what? I've been having a lot of fun with the Emax product line. So if Emax can hear me, hey, let me know if I can test out some of your products. I really love them. Coming at myself here, and then I'm gonna dive away. There we are. I got a bug just landed on my face, and I'm not gonna be able to do anything about it unless I land. Wow, what is the range on this thing? The clarity on the goggles is pretty good, guys. I definitely you can see the branches on the trees and stuff like that. I'm going to slow down again. Maybe. Yeah, almost. You got to be careful. I'm not that good at coming in like that. I scared myself a little bit. Flyby. Yeah, nobody around, so I'm just going to stay happy in my little tiny little field up here. I was gonna fly by the soccer fields, but I didn't get here early enough, and all the soccer teams are here, and I wasn't able to get a wide open area. But so here I am. Nice drone. Wow, control is amazing. Yeah, super nice control. Getting a little low to the ground. I'm going to go ahead and bring it on back here carefully. And I'm still a rookie. You see me doing body language, trying to, control this drone by moving my body. Oh, it's so funny. Doing a Stevie Wonder thing, man. I'm sorry, Stevie. It's true. Wow, this thing is fun. 14.7 volts is what I'm showing right now. And I just dipped behind this little knoll, hill, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to go ahead and slowly approach my location. So maybe I can get a shot here. Nope, I'm not that good of a flyer. Wind is picking up. Hopefully no rain is going to come with it. I'm going to go down here by the soccer post again and do a turn around and look at the post and fly by the post. Slow down a little bit. Throttle management is so important. Oh my gosh, I'm slowly giving a little bit of throttle here, and I'm approaching the area where the pad is right now. You can see that I just saw some grass there, and I heard the engines wind up. I haven't ventured out over here yet. Haven't been that brave, but now I am, I guess. Just went over that swampy area. That's the places I probably should not go. And I just kind of lifting it up a little higher to get a view of this trail here. Wow, what a nice drone. Wind's picking up, probably a 10-15 mile an hour gust just hit me. But the power to weight ratio with these FPV drones, you shouldn't have any problems handling any wind at all. They're just so responsive. Just amazing. Just amazing. Let me see if I can. I don't want to buzz myself too bad. I need to come in a different angle, so if I make a mistake, I won't hurt myself. Where's my buddy? I think he's having more fun. All right, dropped to 14 volts that time. All right. Just going to do a little throttle management there. You can see that there are 14 volts is where I'm at right now, and man, my heart is pumping, man. I mean pumping. Whew. That was super fun.